Hello, my Whirlpool gas oven shuts itself off while baking. The broiler and burners work fine. It is an accubake self-clean Whirlpool gold oven is less than 9 years old. Mod GS 563 LXSS SARE RT 2415317.
I see no one has assisted you as of yet. Hello from Ja, my name is Woody. I will be glad to assist 2140 so you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 35 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 80,000 internet repairs under my belt. When you say that the oven shuts off, does the control board turn off and revert back to the clock, or does just the burner turn off?
The burner turns off. I will have something in the oven and it sounds like it has turned on, but when I go to check on it the oven will be cold. At other times, it will be hot when I check on it, but then it turns off sometime after that.
Okay, so when the burner goes off, does the display show that the oven is still on, or has it gone back to the clock display?
There is no indicator that the oven has stopped working, so the clock display is not on unless I press cancel. Unless should say until.
Okay, thank you. It took me a while to find it. I knew that there was a service pointer on that issue, and the Whirlpool website would not let me find it by model number. I had to go back into the archives to find it. And Whirlpool's recommendation for that issue is the replace the bake burner. It comes with the igniter mounted in a bit different location. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. http://www.repairclinic.com/part detail/burner tube/9758078/10288843 Ricade equals 1000070. What is happening is when the oven first lights, the igniter bracket gets hot and it warps, so when the unit cycles off the first time it will not relight the flame, and after 3 times, and if the igniter does not senses the flame is present, then the control goes into a safe mode and it will not try to light it again until you press cancel, and by then the igniter bracket has cooled back down into its original place and it lights that one time again. If you have any questions, just reply back.
Thank you. So, the link takes me to the part, but how do I get the installation?
Well, this is a DIY website. You will have to either install it yourself or call a servicer and pay their service call charge to have them install the part. It is very easy for anyone to do, using basic hand tools. Here is a video showing replacing a bake burner similar to yours. https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals ice 81 dxway.
Perfect. Thank you again. Please let me know if I need to do anything to get you paid. I am guessing it will be automatic. Smile.
If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me, WHRLP Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me is the only way I get paid for my time.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.